Brandon Fast from Mount Lake, farm, southwest Minnesota. We had an issue this fall. We were about a third way through combining, and we had to shut down because the beans were too wet. And the following day is the day we were going to shut down. I was out greasing the combine and looking over the grain cart, and I noticed that we had a big split in one of our grain cart tires. NTS was the first one that popped in mind from a service side of it that could take care of us. When I called them, they jumped on it right away. They says, yep, well, let's look up what your old order was. They walked me through what we would end up needing for weight for a sidewall. On our Brent V1100, we actually have duals on that, and they're a really thick sidewall tire. I worked with one of the guys up there. They said, yep, let's check to see what we have in stock after we talked about what our size was, what our need was. And within a couple hours, we had a number, had a trade-in value on our other 3 tires that were good yet. We just decided to replace all 4 tires, as they did end up having a new used set that was off of a brand new combine. It was a heavier sidewall rating than what we initially had on there, and it suited our needs perfect. And of course, then the next question was, when could they come put them on? As the next day by noon, we had planned on starting back into beans again, because we figured that they would end up being, beans would be dry. And they says, we'll be there by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And literally by 10 o'clock the next morning, the new tires were on. It was a 24-hour turnaround. I thought this is gonna be a multi-day process. In the heat of the fall, being able to get a truck there, one of their service guys there to do it, I thought I'd be on a waiting list. And with the amount of equipment that they have and as organized as they are, I was just extremely impressed and very grateful that they jumped on it right away, and knew that with the grain cart being such a crucial part of the operation, they knew downtime was crucial for us.